Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to add extensions to Google Chrome easily. Follow the steps in this video if you want to know how. The first step, open Google Chrome to which you will add the extension. Pay attention to the arrows in this video to follow the steps. Please look for the extension you want to add to your Google Chrome. Now I have successfully added an extension on Google Chrome. You can activate it if you want to use the extension. That's how to add an extension on Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button to get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.